Andre, it had to be more than 8 or 9 inches in Decatur, because when we tried to dig out, I've never seen such preposterousness in my life. Over here in Champaign, what'd you get?
I think maybe 3, 4, pushing 5, maybe
3, 4. I'm gonna tell you, even the side streets right now, you know, just trying to dig out of that whole capacity right there. They're still underneath the snow. I know on the back of the truck we had our own little mini storm.
Yeah, we did.
Coming down the highway, Andre. Our own little mini storm. But let me tell you, it has been, I guess we're bracing for our next round.
Yeah, something about 5 inches. I don't know.
What did you just say?
They said about 5 inches. That's what Darlene told me.
No, I did not hear 5 inches. I
5
heard
inches.
I heard 2
Indicator.
or 3. What?
5 inches indicator. That's what Darlene told me before I left the house.
5 inches indicator. This is no, that's new information for me right now. I didn't know it would be 5 inches. They said 2 or 3 inches, so that was like my whole expectation. Is about 2 or 3 inches. I don't know, but you know, I don't know if anybody's still. I haven't seen anybody digging out snow like they normally, like, you know, people would do under that capacity. Like when we were younger, and we did talk about, you know, kids not going out and playing in the snow so much anymore.